Welcome to Let's Review. In today's video, I'll guide you through effective strategies to prepare for the LETExam. Let's get started. How to prepare for the LETexam. Essential tips and resources. Before diving into study mode, it's important to understand the structure of the LETexam. The exam is divided into three key parts: general education, professional education, and your major subject. Knowing how the exam is organized helps you allocate your study time effectively. The weight and time allocation vary depending on whether you're taking the elementary or secondary level exam. For those taking the elementary level exam, you will take general education or Gen Ed and professional education or ProfEd, Gen Ed. Covers essential subjects such as mathematics, science, English, Filipino, and social science. You'll have approximately 2 hours to complete this section. The Gen Ed part makes up about 40% of your overall score, assessing your general academic foundation. Professional education, ProfEd. This section includes topics related to teaching methods, curriculum development, educational psychology, and more. You'll have around 3 hours for this part. ProfEd accounts for a significant 60% of your overall score, evaluating your professional competence as a teacher. For those taking the secondary level exam, you will take Gen Ed, ProfEd, and majorship. General education, similar to the elementary level, covers basic subjects like mathematics, science, English, Filipino, and social science. You'll have approximately 2 hours for this section. The Gen Ed part typically makes up about 20% of your overall score. Professional education. This section includes topics related to teaching methods, curriculum development, educational psychology, and more. You'll have around 3 hours for this part. ProfEd accounts for about 40% of your overall score. Major specialization. This section tests your knowledge in your chosen major, whether it's English, math, science, or another subject. You're allotted around 3.5 hours for this section due to its depth. The major specialization is the most significant part of the secondary LET, comprising 40% of your final score. Each section of the LET is governed by a table of specifications, TOS. The TOS breaks down the percentage weight of each topic, guiding you on how much focus you should give to each area. For example, in the ProfEd section, principles of teaching might account for 20% of the questions, while assessment and evaluation could make up 15%. Understanding the TOS allows you to prioritize your study time effectively and ensures that you're well prepared for the most heavily weighted topics. Next, creating a study plan. Creating a detailed study plan is key to your success on the LETexam. Begin by mapping out a study schedule that spans at least 3 to 4 months before the exam date. Here's how to break it down. Start with a diagnostic test. Begin by taking a practice exam to identify your strengths and weaknesses. This will help you focus your study plan on areas that need the most attention. Week 1 to 2. General education. Gen Ed. Allocate 1 to 2 weeks to cover each subject in the Gen Ed section. For example, dedicate Week 1 to mathematics, focusing on algebra, geometry, and statistics. In Week 2, shift to science, covering key concepts in biology, chemistry, and physics. Set daily goals, such as mastering specific topics or completing a set number of practice questions. Week 3-6. Professional education, ProfEd. Spend 4 weeks on ProfEd topics, as this section is heavier and requires deeper understanding. Week 7-10. Major specialization, for secondary. If you're taking the secondary level LET, allocate 4 weeks to your major subject. For instance, if your major is English, focus on grammar, literature, and teaching methodologies. Plan to cover 1 major topic per week and use past LET exams to practice. Daily study routine. Dedicate 3 to 4 hours each day to focused study. Split your time into blocks, such as 1 hour for reviewing notes and textbooks, 1 hour for practice questions, 1 hour for revision and reinforcing weaker areas. Weekly review sessions. Every weekend, set aside time to review what you've studied during the week. Take practice quizzes to assess your understanding and adjust your study plan if necessary. Incorporate breaks.
To avoid burnout, schedule short breaks between study sessions and take 1 day off each week to recharge. Final month. In the last month, shift to full-length practice exams under timed conditions. Analyze your performance and revisit the most challenging topics. This period is crucial for building confidence and improving time management skills. By sticking to a well-organized study plan, you can cover all the essential areas, stay on track, and enter the LETexam with confidence.
When it comes to studying, efficiency is key. Focus on techniques that boost retention and understanding. Active recall. Quiz yourself regularly on key concepts to reinforce memory. Spaced repetition. Review material at increasing intervals to cement your knowledge over time. Mind mapping. Create visual representations of concepts to better connect and organize your thoughts. Incorporating these methods into your study routine will help you grasp the material more effectively and make it stick. Having the right resources can make all the difference. Invest in comprehensive review books tailored to the LETexam. These books often include practice questions and detailed explanations. Enroll in online courses that offer structured lessons and interactive quizzes. Make it a habit to take practice exams. These are invaluable for familiarizing yourself with the format and timing of the test. Joining study groups, whether online or in person, can provide additional support, motivation, and the opportunity to discuss challenging topics with peers. Effective time management is the cornerstone of successful exam preparation. Start by setting a daily study schedule that balances all subjects. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique, work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This helps maintain focus and prevents burnout. Avoid procrastination by setting small, achievable goals each day. Remember, consistency is key. Every minute counts as you prepare for the elite. Lastly, don't forget self-care. While it's important to study hard, taking care of your well-being is equally crucial. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, as rest is vital for memory consolidation. Maintain a balanced diet to keep your energy levels up, and incorporate regular physical activity to reduce stress and improve focus. Remember, a healthy mind and body are your greatest assets during this preparation period. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Review for more LETExam tips and reviewers. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into specific strategies for tackling the general education section. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.